How you doing, son? You alright? Yeah, man, daddy. Wait, we can come home now? Mommy? No, right now. Your mother's still kind of vexed with the whole situation. Seriously? Me have to stay here even longer?
You're in my carry-on. Say tell the boy him don't learn, him just don't learn.
Richard, your mother really pissed off. Right now, she don't even want Rashim stay with me, but your baby mother for her. So what that have to do with me, daddy? What that have to do with me? Why she go on so with me for? Me her son, look how she treat me.
Rick, stop me that boy that talk to you.
Let me not understand what a big deal. What me do? Wanna have me here a clean bathroom like some maid? What kind of embarrassing thing this? Richard.
Stop you now.
Debbie, that unpowerful man, you know for lick him?
Look here.